For Vice President Jejomar Binay, he has had enough. On Thursday, Binay filed a libel complaint against Senator Antonio Trillanes IV and former Makati Vice Mayor Ernesto Mercado before the Makati Regional Trial Court. Binay personally filed a complaint at the Makati City Hall this afternoon.
Katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, naghabla na naman ako. Mga ibang mga tao ang isip kung wala kang kasalanan, ba't hindi mo sila inihahabla o hindi ihabla na nga.
Unlike the 200 million peso civil case he earlier filed against Trillanes, Mercado, and other former and current officials, this time the complaint is criminal in nature. This means a possible conviction is punishable by imprisonment.
Ito yung mga ginagawang statement sa kanya in public na wala namang basihan, wala namang supporting evidence na paulit-ulit na. So at this time, the Vice President has decided na enough is enough. And for every lie that they will make, there will be a corresponding charge.
According to Binay's complaint, Trillanes issued libelous statements when he told a media interview about 2 new exposés against the Vice President, and when he accused Binay of involvement in a 100 million peso fraud every year in Makati City through ghost senior citizens. Mercado supposedly made a libelous statement when he accused Binay of getting 200 million pesos in kickbacks from a deal between the Boy Scouts of the Philippines and Alpha Land Corporation. Binay says all allegations are false and baseless and just aim to discredit his person.
Ang tipping point dito, ayaw naman tumigil nga. Pangalawa, may nakukumbinsi na kung wala kang kasalanan, ba't hindi mo sila ihabla? Tama nga naman, hindi ihabla.
Mercado says he will face all charges in court.
Alam mo, sa Senate ko sinabi yan. Again, pinaninindigan ko yung stand ko na meron akong dokumentong naipakita sa Senado at patuloy kong ipakikita na talagang nakagawa siya ng transaksyon sa Boy Scout. At pinaninindigan ko yon.
Senator Antonio Trillanes stands firm. He only wants one thing, send Binay to jail. Joyce Ilas, CNN Philippines.